The best way to learn is by doing, so welcome supply chain practitioners. Martin here. Ready for another topic to ante up the value of your SAP solution? Okay, today we're diving into an important topic around how to buffer and protect against disruptions. Today's topic is an introduction to safety time. Now, SAP has a variety of safety techniques from traditional static safety stock, either via entry or by letting SAP calculate it, to dynamic safety stock that moves with demand based on coverage profiles assigned to them. Now, SAP has a variety of safety techniques from traditional static safety stock, either via entry or by letting SAP calculate it, to dynamic safety stock that moves with demand based on coverage profiles assigned, to safety time, which seeks to address challenges with the timing of demand or delays in supply. Each has their uses, and we have a series of videos dedicated to the exploration of each. For a topic like this, we need a solid tour guide, and we didn't have to look far to find a good one. Today, I'm pleased to introduce you to Luke. Luke, why don't you share your idea specifically on the topic of safety time?
I will take that baton, Martin. While I'm just getting started in my supply chain career, I do know that the one thing that is always constant is our need to work with volatility, uncertainty, complexity, and ambiguity. We need a really solid toolkit to address these conditions and prevent disruptions, and I find safety time to be an interesting way to protect and problem solve. It literally seeks to buy us time, and yes, that time does come with a cost which we need to be aware of. On our tour today, I'm going to show you how MRP responds to safety time and how we can toggle it on and off in the stock requirements list so we can check our planning and evaluate what's happening. While we're there, I'll walk through some options for settings. Let's take a look. Well, if the best way to learn is by doing, we should get right to it. What we can see here is a planning situation which we're going to review from our home base, the stock requirements list. Whenever we want to explore a new feature or even master data value, it helps us start with a simple or familiar planning situation and then build up from there. We can see that this material has a demand plan and a simple plan for replenishment that uses a lot for lot size procedure. Let's take a look at our planning settings. We can bridge the material master via change mode because I do intend on making an adjustment. If I was not planning to make an adjustment, I'll be going in with display only. That's an important habit.